So you could bust that wine. If you really want it, you can hit my line.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the Lifestyle with Fly and Kim.
What's the deal, man? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification to continue to receive the most authentic content on the internet right now.
That part.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just out here about to get on the jet ski. You scared, baby? You ready? This is your first time, right?
First time on them jet skis, I hopped out the bed ready today. You know what I'm saying? I knew we was gonna have a good day and shit, so I was like, man, let's do a jet ski or something, man. Lifestyle of Fly and Kim. We taking off. Yeah.
This is my second time. My first time was like not a good experience. I told you I fell off the jet ski, right?
Damn.
Remember I told you it was my friend's husband?
Oh,
we
yeah,
both fell off and it was hard for us to climb back on.
I do remember that.
Yeah, but we not falling off today.
I remember
We're
that.
just gonna have fun.
I do remember that. Damn, I just spilled the fucking alcohol.
You just dropped
I just put the
the
only
liquor.
alcohol that we had.
Whoa! He just killed a bug on my leg. Disrespectful. You getting ready to get on the jet ski?
Make it fair, huh? Yeah. Or just like
I like the dress.
Got water, fine.
yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go over some of the since you're both gonna drive.
My hands is like
I went first, you know what I'm saying? We just ain't getting no footage of me going. I ain't just on the back and shit, but yeah. You know what I'm saying? She got some footage of me. We finna go, man. Let's go, baby. Let's show them how we do it. I'm about to hold on to this phone and hold on to her at the same time. So we finna, you know what I'm saying, get it cracked. My hair look like this because of this. How fast we've been going. We finna show y'all what's up though, man.
yeah, I'm not gonna go back.
Come on, shorty, what you on? So fast. I got this motherfucker. I ain't gonna drop this motherfucker. Sneezing in this bitch. Wet nose ass bitch. Damn. Sneezing in the damn stove. Like, come on, man. You can't sneeze in the stove. In a grocery store around the produce. Like, come on, man. Sneeze around the chips or something. Like, don't sneeze around shit that's like, you know what I'm saying, from the earth. Like, sneeze on the candy or something. Like, sneeze on the shit we don't need. Like, what you want, man? Like, what you want? Like, I should have definitely made that U-turn right there. We gotta come all the way down here just to turn around.
Yeah, we have fun jet skiing, right, babe?
No, jet skiing
It was so
was
much
cool
fun.
though. It was cool. Jet skiing was definitely cool. I enjoyed myself. First time, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody get hurt. We grateful that everybody left with what we came with, you know what I'm saying? Came with 4 eyes. We left with four eyes, you know what I'm saying? 4 eyeballs.
We didn't fall off. We did a good job.
We ain't fall off. We did a good job. She did a good job. You know, I was nervous though, but then I gained my courage. You know, I was out there taping and recording. I gained my courage. Like, we got some dope ass footage coming to y'all, man. It's on the way. Dope footage on the way. I got to gargle with some Listerine too. I can smell. I can taste my breath. It tastes like sunflower seeds.
Stinking, huh?
No, I can just taste. It just tastes
It's dry.
Yeah.
It's not fresh. That's good that you noticed that. Some people don't.
Self-awareness is the best
Because
kind.
I noticed that about myself too. Okay, all right. I need to rinse my mouth.
Like, it's time.
Let me brush
and
my teeth.
I hit that blunt too. So
Let me brush my teeth real quick.
sunflower seed blunt, bro. And Red Bull. You know what I'm saying? Coconut Red Bull. Anybody know coconut flavor shit?
Dry mouth.
Yeah.
Got the cotton right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where my piece of gum went though. You gave me the gum and I threw that shit somewhere. Like, where the fuck I put my gum?
I put it in your mouth.
I'm trying to see like where did I throw it out at? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to figure out, where I threw it out. Alright, so look, boom, check it out. We finna cook. We about to cook. We about to prepare some fried chicken. You know, regular little Wednesday night shit. Fried chicken, green beans with jasmine rice. Green beans, jasmine rice, and some fried chicken wings. Feel what I'm saying? It's finna go down.
Wait for snowfall to come on.
Yeah, wait for the snowfall to come on. That's how shit. That shit pretty cool, man. Yeah, man. While the search continues. We belong together.